welcome back to Data Leaps. My name is Leaping. This is the Diary of a Solution Architect. In this series, I cover a lot of my personal opinion on tips and tricks for interviews, career progression, and skills building, learning, and so on and so forth as a data professional. Today is a little bit of a rant on LinkedIn. Now, I have 1,700 something connections on LinkedIn. Nearly 400 of them are Databricks employees, and nearly 200 of them are Microsoft employees. And there's a lot more MVPs, Databricks champions, and so on and so forth. The end result of that is my LinkedIn feed is incredibly homogeneous, and September is possibly the worst month to read anything about my LinkedIn feed because this week my LinkedIn is flooded with FabCon content. Last week, my LinkedIn is flooded with Big Data London content. The week before, it's flooded with Data and AI World Tour content. Not that I don't want to read about these, but reading about these 120 times a day is no fun. And also, it's frustrating because I use LinkedIn for one specific reason, which is reading the content or learning from the content creators that I absolutely adore and get inspiration from. People like Chris Webb, people like Marco Russo, people like Kurt Butler, people like Simon Whiteley, or I do follow the people that hold a different opinion versus me. Give you an example. I hate data vote with every fiber of my being, and I absolutely am allowed to do that because I have built it before. And while building it, I lost half of my hair. And I don't just follow like people like Simon. He agreed with me on data vote, and I'm like watching his content and go, oh yeah, absolutely, I'm right about data vote. No, I read content from people who advocate for data vote, and we have a debate about it, right? Like we have a discussion, and from that, I do a lot of learning, but either the content from the people I appreciate and the content from the people that hold different opinion versus me are the ways I learn, at least on LinkedIn platform. And this is frustrating because all of these good content are getting buried in the marketing efforts of different events and different product releases. It's particularly bad in months like September or at the times of like very big events happening. And this might not be a problem for you if you use LinkedIn for other reasons. If you use LinkedIn for like having an online CV, if you use LinkedIn to stay connected with people and occasionally message them, if you use LinkedIn to like get product release notes from different companies, arguably, like you are better off doing an RSS feed from company website. Or if you do want to get it from different people, you only need to connect to like one or two people that are particularly good at posting their product releases from that company. And you don't have to be connected to 600 people from a particular company just to get product updates. So I really, really wish that LinkedIn will give me a capability to mass unfollow people. Unfortunately, this is not automatic, or this is not a native feature of LinkedIn. I looked into it. You either run a custom script or you use a Chrome extension. Both of these methods you have to use at your own risk. And some scripts that's written 2 years ago might not be working anymore today. So I really wish LinkedIn will not make me automatically follow the people that I'm connection with, or give me the capability to mass unfollow people to make my experience on LinkedIn a little bit more desirable. And let me know how you are using LinkedIn if you find having 200 people posting about same things super annoying. Let me know if you find a way to mass unfollow people as well. I've been really interested in hearing that. Next week, we're going back to technical content, and I'll see you next week. Thank you for watching Data Leaps. If you think the content is useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.